Welcome to WordPress Tutorials Simplify WP. Today we are going to talk about how to install WordPress along with an existing system. So one of our viewers had a query and she asked, how do I install WordPress along with an existing installation of OpenCart? Now if you see, this applies not just to OpenCart but it is applicable to any other custom system as well. Her exact query was slightly different. She wanted to retain the URL structure without the subdirectory, but we are not going to address that today because it's slightly technical. So what we are going to do is just address how to install WordPress on an existing OpenCart system. So this is a domain, test domain, and we have OpenCart installed here. If you see, this is a simple or the basic installation of OpenCart right out of the box. So it works as expected. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add an installation of WordPress to this domain with /blog. Let me install WordPress here. Let me pause the video, or let me just keep it on. Let me install WordPress. So I'm just going to go in my cPanel, go to WordPress, and I'm going to install WordPress in here, the domain, in a subdirectory blog. And we're done. Let's open it. This is the installation of WordPress. Now, if you see the URL structure, it is /blog and then /URL. You can change this URL by logging in and changing the permalinks, but basically what we have achieved is installation of WordPress in a subdirectory of this main directory. Now this can be made better by actually logging in and changing the permalinks. So let me show you that as well. So go to settings, general, setting permalinks, and you change it to a better structure. Now there is a blog. Her query was she did not want a blog in the URL. Now that is tricky for two reasons. One, that it is too technical to explain in a demo, and secondly, the main domain has an installation, separate installation, which is not aware of WordPress, which is OpenCart installation, that has its own way of handling the URLs, and the subdomain where we have WordPress installed, that has its own way of handling the URLs. It is possible to change it using a htaccess file on Apache engine, but that is too complicated for this demo, so I'm just going to skip it. So I've changed the URL structure now. And now, once it is done, you see this is the blog, right? This was the old. Let it complete this. If you see, the old structure is here if you see at the bottom there is on /blog/2017. I click that, page not found, because the structure is changed now. Let me refresh it. Now if you see, the URL structure is much better, directly to the post name. So we have OpenCart in the main directory, and we have WordPress in /blog directory. Now, technically, it is possible to have any system in the in the main directory, and it can be any custom system, it can be an ERP, it can be a CRM, or it can be another version of WordPress. It's possible to do that. So I just wanted to give you an idea that it is very easy to do that in a subdirectory itself, the installation of WordPress. So that's pretty much it for today. If you have any such queries you want to be addressed in videos, do write to me in comments. I read each and every comment, and I will have a video made on that. Secondly, if you like the videos which are coming in, please subscribe to the channel and have a good day. That's pretty much it. Thank you.